coming very fastly, and today's train is approximately, you can say, 10 minutes late. You can see the view is very important, and you can see the thing, train is coming very fastly. So it is very important functional thing. This train is very regular actually, but today it is approximately 10 to 15 minutes late, and it is very important historical train. Early morning it connect to Delhi, goes to Malot, Batinda, Lidarwa, Mansha, Sangrur. Train is coming, and you can see the view, a very important view, and travelers are on track. You see the thing. Travelers are very fast because this is very fast train. You can see. Thank you, man. Thank you very much. Thanks. Good. Please share this very important vlogs, because this is very important train are coming here.